You've spent decades building a life, raising a family, working hard, loving deeply. But now, the house is quiet. The phone doesn't ring as often. And sometimes, the silence is deafening. If you're in your 60s and feeling lonely, you're not alone. But here's the truth. Loneliness isn't the end of the story. It can be the beginning of something beautiful. Loneliness in your 60s is more common than most people realize. Retirement, loss of a spouse, children moving away, or even health challenges, all can contribute. But loneliness isn't just a feeling. It can affect your body, your brain, your spirit. The good news? It's not permanent. Here's the truth. Your 60s can be a time of renewal. You can rediscover old passions, build new friendships, and reconnect with yourself. Loneliness is a signal, not a sentence. It's telling you it's time for change, a change that starts with small, courageous. Here are 5 small steps you can take starting today. 1. Join a local club or class, art, dance, or even chess. 2. Volunteer. Your experience is a gift someone needs. Schedule weekly. Calls with loved ones, even if it's just 10 minutes. 4. Try something new. A language, an instrument, a recipe. Move your body. Even a short walk can lift your spirits. You're not invisible. You still have stories to tell, laughter to share, wisdom to give. Loneliness may visit, but it doesn't have to stay. Open the door to life again, one moment at a time, because joy is still waiting for you. If this message touched you, share it with someone you love. And if you're struggling with loneliness, drop a comment below. You are seen, you are heard, and you are valued. Subscribe for more ways to live fully, no matter your age.